Out here, battlefield, truth. This a hell and this a heaven. In a earth. Right, that's all. And Jah alone can help you, you know. But you have to have patience. You have to have God. You have to have time. Yeah, better man, I look for a more wild rascal. I brings man make a drive now, but pagans us to the earth come. The same man was sit down in a church every Sunday, Monday a burst gun. Brother, man still I read my Bible, but man I fist of ass, man we bust it if first come. It's not a rain season, but me still have lime. Right now I just patience, God and time. Enough now have none, so them sad and blind. Right now I just patience, God and time. Do whatever you need to do and stop the crying. Right now I just failure is not an option, so don't stop trying. Yes man, I'm always your closest friends are your first grudge. Who not like you, them first judge. Can't clown me cause in a circus. Days me know something there for your purpose. Every tunnel have a light at the end. So one day things will go brighter again. The burden you a carry might heavy, but me know say it a go get lighter, my friend. Them on me planted the word go, and them me sing it make the world know. Slow process how we progress, but I know everyone a go say bravo. It's not a rain season, but me still have lime. Right now I just patience, God and time. Enough now have none, so them sad and blind. Right now I just patience, God and time. Do whatever you need to do and stop the crying. Right now I just
Yardstyle live.